Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to customize the new liquid glass style home screen in iOS 26. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to customize the liquid glass style home screen in iOS 26, you need to simply long press the home screen and tap on edit and then customize it. Now you can select a clear option for translucent effect. You can choose between light, dark or auto modes, or select tinted to apply a custom color to the glass effect with intensity control. For intensity control, you can simply go in iPhone settings, and once you're in the settings option, you can simply tap on the accessibilities and go on display and text size. Once you're here, you can simply find the option called reduce transparency. Now you can simply enable it and you can simply increase or reduce your transparency or glass style in your iOS 26. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.